Listen up, you lovely bunch of aspiring entrepreneurs. Let's rewind to the bad old days of trading, back when dinosaurs roamed the earth and charts looked like something out of a horror film. Picture this: clunky software, laggy interfaces, and enough spreadsheets to make your eyes water. Traders were stuck in the dark ages, fumbling around with limited tools and zero social life. It was a lonely, frustrating existence. Imagine trying to decipher market trends using a potato as your computer. That's what it felt like. Brokers were charging an arm and a leg for the privilege of using their prehistoric platforms, and don't even get me started on the lack of community. Traders were like lone wolves, howling at the moon and hoping for the best. It was a recipe for disaster, my friends. But then, from the depths of trading despair, a glimmer of hope emerged. A beacon of light in the darkness, a platform that would change the game forever. In the year 2011, three brilliant minds, Stan Bokov, Denis Glober, and Konstantin Ivanov, said enough is enough. They were tired of the trading world's shenanigans and decided to do something about it. Thus, TradingView was born, like a phoenix rising from the ashes of outdated platforms. These visionary founders had a dream: to create a platform that was powerful, intuitive, and, dare I say, even a little bit sexy. They wanted to empower traders of all levels with cutting-edge tools, real-time data, and a vibrant community. And boy, did they deliver! TradingView swooped in with its sleek interface, advanced charting tools, and a community that felt more like a family reunion than a bunch of strangers on the internet. It was love at first sight for millions of traders worldwide. Finally, a platform that understood their needs. TradingView became the go-to destination for anyone who wanted to level up their trading game, from seasoned pros to wide-eyed newbies. It was like having a Swiss Army knife of trading tools at your fingertips. Word spread like wildfire through the trading community. "Have you heard of TradingView?" they whispered in hushed tones. "It's the real deal," and real it was. TradingView exploded in popularity, attracting millions of users from every corner of the globe. They were adding new members faster than you could say bull market. Investors were lining up to throw money at TradingView, eager to get a piece of the action. Funding rounds? They were practically printing money. The company's valuation soared higher than a rocket on Independence Day, but it wasn't just about the numbers, folks. TradingView was changing the game. It was democratizing trading, making it accessible to everyone, not just the Wall Street big shots. And the revenue, let's just say it was enough to make Scrooge McDuck jealous. TradingView had become a force to be reckoned with. Section 4. The people have spoken. Trustpilot reviews don't lie. Well, sometimes they do. Now, let's take a little detour to the wonderful world of Trustpilot, where everyone's a critic and opinions are like, well, you know. We're going to compare TradingView to one of its worthy competitors, shall we? Let's call them Flux Charts, just for kicks. A quick glance at Trustpilot reveals that Flux Charts users are a mixed bag. Some sing its praises, highlighting its user-friendly interface and real-time data. Others, however, aren't so impressed, complaining about occasional glitches and a less-than-stellar customer support team. But here's the thing. TradingView consistently receives rave reviews. Users can't stop gushing about its intuitive platform, powerful tools, and that amazing sense of community. It's like the Beyoncé of trading platforms. Everyone loves it. Section 5. Chart your own course, the TradingView legacy. TradingView's journey from scrappy startup to market leader is nothing short of inspiring. They saw a problem, they believed in their vision, and they worked their butts off to make it a reality. And in the process, they created something truly special. But here's the real takeaway, my friends. TradingView's story is proof that anything is possible if you dare to dream big and chase those dreams with relentless passion. So what are you waiting for? The world is your oyster. Go out there and make your mark, and who knows, maybe one day we'll be telling your startup story on this very stage. Until then, happy trading, my friends. And remember, the only limits are the ones you set for yourself. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a date with a chart that's calling my name.